Today, I'm going to show you how to export images in Figma quickly and correctly so you can save exactly the asset you need in the right format and resolution. Whether you're exporting a layer, a group, a component, or an entire frame, this simple workflow will help you get clean files every time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and find the specific asset you want to export. This can be a single layer, a group of elements, a component, or even a frame. The important thing is to select the exact item you want to turn into an image file. Just click on it in the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel on the left. Once it's selected, look over to the right-hand side of Figma while you're in design mode. At the bottom of the right panel, you'll see the export section. If you don't see any export options yet, that's completely normal. This section is where you tell Figma how you want the file saved. Click the plus icon next to export to add a new export setting. As soon as you do that, Figma will open the export controls for the selected asset. Now it's time to configure the export settings. The first thing you'll choose is the file format. Figma gives you several common options, including PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. If you want a transparent image or a crisp design asset, PNG is usually a great choice. If you want a smaller file for photos or simple visuals, JPG can work well. If you're exporting vectors, logos, or icons, SVG is often the best option. And if you need a document-style export, PDF may be the right pick. Next, choose the scale. This controls the resolution of your exported file. For example, 1x exports at the original size, 2x doubles the resolution, and 3x gives you an even higher resolution version. If you're exporting for Retina screens, app mockups, or detailed design assets, increasing the scale can be very useful. If you just need a standard export, 1x is usually enough. Take a moment to make sure the format and scale match your exact use case before exporting. Once everything looks right, it's time to download the file. Click the export button, and Figma will generate the file based on the layer name you selected. If you selected a frame, you may see export frame name. If it was a group, component, or layer, Figma will use that name instead. After you click export, the file will download to your computer automatically, ready to use in your website, app, presentation, or social media design. And that's all there is to it. You've now exported an image from Figma using the correct asset, chosen the right format, set the resolution, and downloaded the final file. Once you get used to this process, exporting in Figma becomes fast, simple, and really efficient. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.